Hi everybody, it's Dr. Sarah. Thank you for joining me today. Now, I fought technology and I can't even say it, technology won. So I recorded this 15-minute video for you guys on the flaws in food addiction. Now, this is after I recently released an article on the flaws in obesity science, and that already put me in front of the firing squad. So to question this sacred cow of weight loss food blame game is yet another no-no in nutrition world, but I went for it again, and I feel that creating fear around food is causing emotional and physical repercussions that are counter health and causing people to become disconnected with their own bodies. Now, due to technology winning the battle, I'm going to make this short and sweet, and I'm going to keep the audio of the 15-minute video available for you guys below. Or if you're on YouTube, you can find it on my website. Same thing with Facebook, because it's not allowing me to stream this week for very long, whether the video stays intact. So what you'll learn in this 15-minute audio is the pitfalls on stating that obesity is a cause of chronic disease and the confusion caused by association studies being proclaimed as causation studies. You'll learn what determines body size and how food is only one small factor, what health determinants are, and the many lurking variables related to associated and epidemiological studies on obesity in quotes, the problem with blaming food addiction for obesity, why food is not a cause of obesity, and that I'm not advocating for non-nourishing foods and junk, but I am advocating for a lot of different things related to health at every size, including the destigmatization of all body sizes. I dive into food addiction studies and how I missed what factors were not accounted for in results when I first looked at the literature, and how this gets misinterpreted in current diet and health culture. How igniting pleasure centers in the brain for food is actually a survival instinct, regardless of what militant diet approaches proclaim. How the actual studies support that deprivation and starvation lead to overconsumption, but non-dieting and free access leads to moderation and normalization of body weight. And how studies on dieting that show restriction causes emotional and physical backlash also support that it's important to re-nourish and provide nutrients for chronic elimination of certain foods, and in conjunction when re-offering these fear foods. Because there is a very real physiological and psychological response to overeating foods that occurs when someone's been dieting for a long time and restricting. And there's different methods for healing it, and some people do choose to do complete avoidance. But there's also other ways of working through it to make peace with food and your body, so you no longer have these fear foods that I use with my clients and I've experienced for myself. So the goal is to give people back the power of choice and what decisions to make around their own diet. And this means what finding resonates with your own body based on your own feedback and evidence-based science on nutrition, real evidence, not an outside source or dietary trend. So I hope you take a listen and let me know your feedback. Okay, I'm going to end it here before it cuts me off. Have a good day or night, everybody.